guys, because I'm hungry. I'm looking for a restaurant, well, a social restaurant to dine in. I smell a good smell here. Let's eat fine dining. I know it's expensive, but I know we can afford it. I'm craving for this. Oh my gosh. Here. We're already here. Okay, let's order. Wow! The food is good and the price is right. So, wala po yung Bicol na favorite natin. So, we will order the bestseller, the munggo in the atay. Alright. So, they are gagawin the order of mine there. This food is really yummy. You know, you will be full. Oh, be full. Food. One rice only, ma'am. And half order of munggo. Because that's my favorite. Okay, we will wait for the munggo. There, the munggo. How much, ma'am? 100. Oh, see, I have 3 ulam and yet, oh, only rice pa. Oh, I have 3 ulam and then I will only pay 100 pesos. Oh, and I will be full, very, very full. There's the condiments. Here only at Mabini. So let's start eating already. So we will get full and we will not hungry anymore. You know, I always eat here because I only want expensive food like this. You have 3 ulam with 100 pesos. Oh, it's expensive. So I always eat here because I can afford 100 pesos. You know. And the food is good, huh? The munggo is good also. I don't eat on the not expensive restaurants because I want here because it's I can afford the expensive food here like this. Good. You have already 3 ulam in 100 pesos. If you wanna try here, basta dito. So I am already finished and this is the owner. Say hi to my vlog in English. In English.
In English na?
You talk to them with English accent.
Ang bunga-bunga English.
Why?
Hindi ako nag-aral.
But you have a business. Yeah. See? Hindi lahat ng nag-aaral. Ano, mayaman siya sa kanya to. Char. No, di ba?
Yeah.
Say approve. Say approve. Yes. So, we are now already full and we are done. So let's go to the shop with full stomach. We will work again until evening. So that's our strength. So, thank you.